You know what? You're going somewhere with it. This is called Jungle Bird. You have to put that. Oh, we got some Bombo Clot Jamaican rum, 1.5 ounces. Next, 1 ounce of Campari. Chinisanshi. Eso. Now, best ingredient to blend these two is 1.5 ounce of piña. Eso. Now, here's the cool thing. There's this other thing I gotta put in. It's called Demerara. It's like, really sophisticated brown sugar. Half ounce. Now, half ounce lime juice. Yapala. Zibitas. Do it by discretion. Shake it up. Hector wants me to shake it 52 times. Ichinisanshi. Oh shit, like that's it went to the top. Yeah, it's a 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Here, try it. It's so good. I love Jimmy Carter. Anyway, God rest his soul.